Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.4 on Ubuntu Linux 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it. Then click on MySQL Community Server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. Then select operating system, Ubuntu Linux, then select version. I am on Ubuntu 24.04. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. So click on download. See, download started and its size is about 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar the star file and we will install. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Open terminal. Go to downloads, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab, hit enter. Extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of Debian packages that needs to be installed. But before installing them, we have to install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap -ipadic -vtf 8 lib aio -dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed Ctrl L. Now install MySQL Server. Sudo dpkg -i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter, confirm the same, hit enter, select OK by using tab from your keyboard and hit enter. Now we have to select the default authentication plugins. We have two options: use strong and password encryption and legacy authentication method. Okay, first one is recommended, second one is to retain MySQL 5.6 versions. It is up to you. Then select OK by using tab and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is active and running. It is enabled. Okay, quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -b. Then provide the password of the root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.43. You can also verify the same by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database, then provide the name of the database. Show databases again. See, we have created database. Now switch through this database and create a table. To switch through database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, empty set, which means we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table customer See, we have created table. Okay, let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, let's create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Control L to clear screen. Create user David identified by, provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect with this new user. Exit MySQL -u. New username is David-p. Then see, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu Linux 24.04.3. Okay, but this process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is inactive or dead. Okay, quit. We can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root-p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL Server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started. We can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify the same. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL Server by using most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or dbeaver on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, even if you go back, see, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Then you have to click on it. Then you have to select the operating system Ubuntu Linux. Then you have to select the version 24.04. Then you have to download this Debian package. Install this Debian package. Okay, the other tool is go to dbeaver.io. See, here dbeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts, and everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache Family, and more. See, here we have the two versions, community and pro. Community is the open source community is the open source edition. So click on download, then scroll down. See, for Ubuntu we have to click on this Linux Debian package. Then we have to install. We have successfully installed MySQL Server. So these files are not recorded anymore. So remove them to clear the space. rm star.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Let's remove this file also. rm MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Else we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.